Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 6:30 p.m. and today is 21st of June 2021. So how are you guys? How are you doing? How is your trading? I thought let me make a video and talk to you all. And I hope you are present on my Twitter handle or you are present on my Telegram handle anywhere. Like I put my level best to give you the best trade that one can you know and see how early morning, if you notice here, right at about 9:15 I have posted my trade of Arman Financial, right at 9:15 you see here. And I said that if it goes down, keep accumulating it, right? And because this price, this stock is sure to hit a target of 1000, and if it crosses 1000, 1000, 1200 and 1500 is also on the radar. So even if you've not entered right now, you can take an entry right now, right? Tomorrow you can take an entry, or I'm not expecting some kind of correction, but you can definitely take an entry in this particular stock. So here we are, we're going to talk about Arman only because this is what I have also bought, and I just could manage to buy 150 shares, but that's fine. It's okay. Market will come, will give me money somewhere else. So I was just looking at it. There were a lot of factors based on which I have given Arman Finances. So first, let's go and study the balance sheet of Arman Fiber and Financial and see what exactly they do. So this is Arman Fiber Financial, and their market cap is 528 crores, which is a pretty decent, market cap. And if I come here, the company has delivered good profit growth. Like this is a phenomenal profit growth. Like 46.5% CAGR over last 5 years. That I consider very, very good. When company has a good return on equity, ROE is having a track record of 25.56%. Anything which is in two digits, double digit is really good, but and it's maintaining, 5 years CAGR 46.5%, and 3 years ROE is 25.56%, right? So see, the companies, ऐसा हो सकता है कि कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स बहुत अच्छे हो और कंपनी कई बार आप देखोगे कंपनी में ब्रेकआउट नहीं आता है, राइट? यू हैव टू होल्ड इट फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, बहुत देर तक आपको होल्ड करना पड़ता है, ब्रेकआउट नहीं आता है। बट ब्रेकआउट के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें एक साथ, वो होता है ना, एक द एंटायर यूनिवर्स हैज टू कॉन्स्पायर टू ब्रिंग इट टुगेदर, राइट? वो चाहिए होता है कि सारी न्यूज, द टेक्निकल्स, फंडामेंटल्स, interest of the overall sentiments, everything should put together and give you a breakout. So there are two negatives also. Company has low interest coverage ratio. Promoters holding is low, which is 27.46%. Now you can have the have a look at the peers as well, peer companies. And I'm not going to go there, but what I really want you to have a look at, the sales have been consistently growing, right? That's a very positive point for me. And look at the operating profit margin, right? Very, very nice figure. Like if you notice, these are very positive. If you pick up any other financial microfinance companies, you will not find these kind of operating profit margins. And if you come to little down again, this is year on year basis. They've been maintaining the operating profit margins, right? Now, some more facts, I wanted to know about the company, what exactly the company does. Like मुझे बहुत surprising लगता है कि आप लोग टिप्स लेते हो, किसी से भी टिप लेते हो, किसी ने बोला some vague company, some vague company, जिसका कभी आपने नाम नहीं सुना है, जिसको कभी आपने उसका कोई काम नहीं होते हुए देखा, और आप उसमें पैसा लगाने को तैयार हो। बिकॉज अभी किसी ने मुझे एक मैसेज भेजा था, आई डोंट नो विच स्टॉक, एक किसी ने मुझे एक स्टॉक भेजा हुआ है, मैं उसका नाम भूल गई हूँ, सम लाइफस्टाइल स्टॉक है, नाम भूल गई हूँ मैं उसका, आई डोंट नो कौन सा लाइफस्टाइल है, सम लाइफस्टाइल स्टॉक किसी ने मुझे भेजा हुआ है, और वो स्टॉक जो है कंटिन्यूअस लोअर सर्किट्स लगा रहा है, राइट? So what I really want to suggest here is that even if I post, even if someone else posts, just go and see what are the finances, what's the company exactly doing, इनका business क्या है, ये लोग करते क्या है. तो आई थॉट ऑफ एजुकेटिंग यू. अगर आप अपना हार्ड एंड मनी अगर किसी कंपनी में लगा रहे हैं, अगर आप 3 साल के लिए या 2 साल के लिए अपना पैसा या 1 साल के लिए भी अपना पैसा डाल के उसको होल्ड करना चाहते हैं, तो आप सोचिए कि आप अपना पैसा इस कंपनी को देंगे कि नहीं देंगे. जो ये कंपनी मैं आपको दिखा रही हूँ, आप इसमें अपना पैसा डालेंगे कि नहीं डालेंगे. पहली बात तो आपको क्यों डालेंगे और क्यों नहीं डालेंगे, तो आपको पहली बात तो ये सोचना है कि ये कंपनी करती क्या है. This company does microfinancing, right? Microfinancing is a business where small microfinancing is basically छोटे छोटे फाइनेंस करना. मतलब किसी को टू व्हीलर खरीदना है या किसी को अपनी ग्रोसरीज खरीदनी है, शॉप बनानी है छोटी सी, या किसी को कोई फ्रूट वेंडर है. जैसे अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे माइक्रो फाइनेंस में जाके कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली दे डू, तो ये लोग कुछ भी, कोई भी छोटा सा बिजनेस आपका, जैसे फूल वाली कोई है, या कोई किसी के पास कुछ पशु हैं, या कोई मतलब डेयरी फार्म है, या किसी के पास कोई एक छोटा सा हैंडीक्राफ्ट का कोई वो है, उनको ये लोग फाइनेंस करते हैं. Why will I invest into this company? Because I believe in the India story. Like look at this, ये इस तरह के crafts में अगर किसी ने अपना business खोला हुआ है तो उनको ये लोग फाइनेंस करते हैं. Why will I invest into this company? Because I believe in India's growth. I believe that India has huge potential and India can surpass any other country very, very soon. So I believe that as people will have more ideas, to start their own work, and as the ease of doing business is becoming better in India, so that means more and more people will think about doing business, and more people would like to do the business, and that is when they will require some capital. And जब उनको capital चाहिए होगी तो कहाँ जाएंगे वो? माइक्रो फाइनेंस कंपनी के पास जाएंगे, right? So that is what this microfinance company does, right? So I wanted to show something more to you about the company. Kahan company, what is the company's profile, right? You can go through it. We provide access to financial solutions, empowering people living in poverty and transform their lives, their children's future, and their community. I think it's a very noble thought, and I would like to support the company. Then something more I had in my mind to share with you all, network, right? So ये लोग कहाँ कहाँ पे इनकी presence है, सबसे ज़्यादा presence कहाँ पे है? So इनकी अगर आप देखेंगे तो बहुत presence है, यूपी में काफ़ी presence है, and गुजरात, this is Gujarat, and this is part of I think Madhya Pradesh, and part of Maharashtra. So they have rest of the India left for scaling up their business. If they start expanding their work, their business, I'm sure they have entire India left. So something more like, now this is about the company. What the company does, and you must have noticed. This is how Arman Finances look, right? Today is up by almost 20%, but there are many other small finance company like Ujjivan Small Finance Company. I'm already into it, like I've already bought it, I've already suggested it, because this is also going to be really a good stock after 10 years or so. So today this also moved, right? You see other stock that I have on my radar is Equitas Small Finance Bank. I gave a buy long back, not today. I gave Equitas Small Finance, small Equitas holding दिया था शायद. Equitas holding दिया था मैंने, ट्विटर पे दिया था, राइट? तो ट्विटर पे कहीं पे दिया था, यहाँ पे दिया था, सी ये जगह पे दिया था, इस जगह पे दिया था, बाय करने को दिया था about 69, and it has made a high of almost 100, right? So huge return this particular stock, about 50% return the stock has already given, right? अगर आप मेरे ट्विटर हैंडल पे नहीं हैं, आप लोग प्लीज यहाँ पे आके you can follow me, and I do my level best to give you stocks so that you can all trade and make money, right? तो हाँ, तो मैं कहाँ पे थी? अरमान फाइनेंसेस, राइट? सो आई बिलीव इन इंडियाज ग्रोथ स्टोरी। मुझे लगता है इंडिया में बहुत पोटेंशियल है, इंडिया के हर एक बंदे में बहुत पोटेंशियल है। एक एक आदमी जो है, लुक एट इनको, ये जो मिल्क मैन है, इनको भी माइक्रो फाइनेंस की जरूरत, लाइक ऑल एवरीथिंग, टू व्हीलर फाइनेंसेस में ये लोग ज्यादा है। तो अगर डू यू नाउ, अब ये सोचने वाली बात है कि इज दिस बिजनेस एक्सपैंडेबल, मतलब ये बिजनेस ग्रो कर सकता है क्या? अगर हम इनका प्रेजेंस देखें तो देर इज ह्यूज कैपेसिटी ऑफ ग्रोथ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस। सो मुझे ये देख के लगा कि अरमान फाइनेंस इज वन ऑफ अ वेरी वेरी गुड पिक, एंड इट वाज actually fitting in with my technical setup as well, and that is why I gave for a buy, right? So अगर आपने नहीं लिया है, you can still buy it, because as I told you, my target is going to be peak this place for sure soon, right? And if this is crossed another 120 130 points, you can again 1500 का टारगेट हमारा हो जाएगा। तो यहाँ पे मैं क्या चीज इंसिस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग अगर किसी भी, first and foremost, don't look for cheap stocks. Like, your character is reflected in your trading style, right? You kind of stocks that you select, वो आपका कैरेक्टर, आपका चरित्र को दिखाता है, राइट? अगर आप हमेशा ये छोटे छोटे गिरे हुए स्टॉक्स ही ढूंढते रहते हैं, दैट शोज कि क्या आपकी कैपेसिटी है, क्या आप कर सकते हो। ढूंढ अच्छे स्टॉक ढूंढो at the cheap valuation. Like, you should be able to, when you enter in the stock, in that particular stock, the movement should only come after that. आपके जाने से के बाद में ही स्टॉक में मूवमेंट आना चाहिए। आप लोगों को पता होगा, मैंने अभी डिक्सन टेक दिया था, राइट? डिक्सन टेक, कोई, nobody can dare to buy it at this place. मैंने यहाँ पे buy दिया था, and somebody has written to me on Twitter that that person has put all his life saving and bought 40 shares. you know it gave me little heart attack. Oh my god, somebody's trusted his entire life saving into buying this stock. I was just hoping that I don't go down on the expectation of this person. And I'm happy that he is definitely in good profit of about 40 into 400, right? So 16,000 rupees profit, which is about 10% of his investment. So see, once again, this is there is simply there is it's absolute science and absolute technology that I use. I don't have any gimmick or anything, to tell you, but this is what we teach also, how do you filter out these kind of stocks. And uh, we keep on increasing, enhancing our style of trading, our trades. I mean, you make a choice. I was so happy. We started our group yesterday, our smart money multiplier group yesterday. So one of the person has written that he has earned the money, right? He's earned the money from the Twitter or wherever stocks I'm giving, and he's earned enough to do the course. So, like, just be here and trust the trades that I'm giving, because I'm giving absolutely thoroughly researched trades. There is not even a single. I have few good trades for tomorrow. So please be here on my Stock Official. I'll be posting my trade for tomorrow. If not tomorrow, in a day or two, you should be expecting good move. And with this, I'm signing off, and take care and all the best. And but before I close, I just want to talk about how market recovered today. Beautiful recovery market has shown. Like, it was absolutely unexpected, but market from the beginning only showed that there is no sign for it to go down. Like, if you just see how Nifty bounced back, it was a very very phenomenal recovery today Nifty has done, right? Completely defying the law of gravity. It was in the free fall, and it just defied the law of gravity, and how it bounced back was, you know it was so very powerful move, very very powerful move, right? So see here, if you have a look at it, any of these stocks, right? For example, Adani Enterprises, or there was a beautiful recovery in most of the stocks there was beautiful recovery, right? We traded in Adani Ports, we traded in many other stocks, so all of them have given beautiful recovery. So I think India looks unstoppable, and let's be part of the India's growth story. And if you want to make money, if you really feel that having a passive income and really minting money, like in this, ride the train right now, like when the train will be gone, you will be saying, oh God, I could have invested at that time. So please don't do that. Join the India's growth story right now, but pick up the best. Don't pick up these random and horrible stocks, right? Pick up good stocks which give you good momentum. I can show you what I mean when I say don't pick up these stocks. So there was this stock called Omax Limited, right? So Omax Limited, or see here, this is Omax Limited, right? How it went up, right? You can find out whether this stock has been manipulated or not, right? So how it went up and how it fell. When once it was going in this small chunks on a regular basis, right? This is how stock was getting manipulated, and when it started falling down, you could not come out of it, right? So these are the stocks you should simply avoid, right? For that you need to learn about how to read this financial uh, balance sheet of a company or business model of a company, and if you feel comfortable, then only you should invest in that particular stock. So all the best, guys. See you tomorrow. See you in the live market. Hope we mint money together. And this is the best place where I always want to be, and being with you all and talking about stock market is the best time of my day. So in case you've still not joined my Twitter handle, please do that. If you've not joined my Stock Pro official channel, you will find my stocks bang on right in the morning. I have two very good stocks for tomorrow morning. So all the best, guys. See you tomorrow in the live market. All the best.